Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WhatsApp. It is a new day and new update as far as WhatsApp are trying to update new features and add more features to WhatsApp. And as a result of this, WhatsApp Plus is now fully available official. And what are the things you can get from WhatsApp Plus, how you can migrate from ordinary WhatsApp account to a WhatsApp Plus. I'm going to explain everything to you right here in this video. This feature is now available in WhatsApp Android for everyone using Android phone. So for everyone using Android phone, go ahead and open up your Play Store. Then having opened up your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search. And the next thing you want to do is to click on search app and games. Then you want to make sure you simply type in WhatsApp and hit on search, just like so. All you have to do right here is to make sure you update your WhatsApp Messenger to a new version. After a successful update to a latest version, then you'll be able to see the features of WhatsApp Plus. There is no need of you creating another WhatsApp account before you can migrate and upgrade to WhatsApp Plus. All you have to do after you fully update the WhatsApp account to latest version, go ahead and click on open. Then it's going to load up right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on the three dots from the top right here. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and navigate to subscriptions. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on WhatsApp Plus. Just like so. Try WhatsApp Plus for free for 1 month. Upgrade your WhatsApp, upgrade your messaging experience at this amount per month. Price may include tax at a simple price may include tax. Then what are the things you enjoy if you eventually upgrade to WhatsApp Plus? You can send exclusive sticker, choose a custom app icon, which means that you can easily change from different color of WhatsApp icon. So let's open up the exclusive offer. Send exclusive sticker, upgrade your messaging experience with new sticker, pack that make conversation more fun. Then choose a custom app icon. You can decide to choose some of these other app icon color right here. Change your icon to make your app feel more unique and stand out on your phone. Next, then change your app theme. Personalize your app look with new color option that update your message icon and background. You can walk around with different colors as the case may be as far as theme is concerned. Next, get exclusive ringtone. Access a variety of new ringtone that help you stand out with unique sound. You can customize different sound for your WhatsApp contact. Next, upgrade your chat list. Organize your chat and stay on top of what matters most with your list. Here, you can pin, add as many as possible important chat to the top. Last one here, pin extra chat. Ever before now, you can only pin just 3 chats in WhatsApp account. But now, if you upgrade and migrate to WhatsApp Plus, you can pin more than 3 chats at a go in a WhatsApp Plus account. It's that simple. These are what you'll get as far as this is WhatsApp Plus is concerned. Lastly, go ahead and simply click on start your free month trial. Just like so. So you'll be asked to make payment with 3 different options right here. So you can add bank card or use your Google account to make payment. Everything depends on your means of payment available to your account. So if you're satisfied with the update and upgrade to WhatsApp Plus, you'll be asked to make a payment. So go ahead and click on add card. Enter your card detail and you are paying for WhatsApp Plus, as you can see right here. Enter your card detail, month and year, and the security at the back of the card. Then you can also add your billing address. Once you are done, go ahead and click on save card and your card will be saved. And then once your payment was successful, you will be automatically upgraded to WhatsApp Plus. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about these particular new features introduced by WhatsApp in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WhatsApp topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.